Hi, this is Olivia from the LiveChat platform teams. Recently, I have shown you how to connect your developer console account with GitHub, a code management platform. Today, I want to explain to you how to connect it with deployment services. Right now, we have two integrations with deployments, one with Netlify and the second one with Vercel. And you might think, why even bother? So, for starters, the deployments become super easy when you link it in your app, and I really mean it. Let's say I push a commit to a linked repository, and then my deployment service automatically knows about it, prepares the build, and considering you have the app privately installed on your license, shows you the changes once the build completes. Pretty cool, right? If I say so myself, it's a great option to simplify and streamline the development process. And on top of that, the integration process is also amazingly simple. So let me show you how this works. First, we will go to the Apps section in the LiveChat developer console. And then we'll create a new application. In here, you can already choose repository and deployment for yourself if you'd like, but I will skip the configurator just to show you the process more manually, let's say. So let's name the application. Alright. Okay, and the repository is not yet linked, but you have to know that this is required for us to be able to link the deployment to your app. So I will link the repository really quickly here and create a new repository with their full stack template. Alright, and that is done. The repository is linked. It is super simple. Now we can go to deployment. And we are able to link the deployment. I will choose Netlify, but I will show you also Vercel option in a second. And as you can see here, the connection is missing right now. So we will change that and connect Netlify, authorize our account in general. Alright, and as you see, that is amazingly simple. We can now create a Netlify deployment in the developer console from here. So we will create a new site for us, but if you have an existing site you want to connect, you can also do that and choose an existing site on your account. Okay, but I will create a new one and I will name it just the same as the application. Alright, so what's next? As you can see, the build status is in progress. This means that once the build completes, you will basically be able to preview this application on the page URL from Netlify. I will also install the Netlify GitHub app, and it is something that will smooth out the deployments in general. And basically, we will not require this anymore once you install this application for your other apps. Okay, so I will go to GitHub. And if you choose all repositories in here, as I said, you will not have to install this application again and again for your other apps. Okay, so the access is granted, that's nice. So as you see, the status is still in progress, but once this completes, the application will be visible on this page. And basically, you can use this URL for any purpose. Pretty much you can use this for authorization, you can use this, for example, to display your application in the LiveChat agent app, in the chat details as an agent app widget. There's so many options you can use this for, but it is super simple to use in here, and you can open this app right from the developer console as well. So now we can go to Vercel. Alright, so we are back to the apps section, and connecting our application with Vercel is just as simple as with Netlify. So let me show you that and create a new application for Vercel deployment. Alright. Okay, and we will also link a repository just as before. Create a new repository for this app. Okay, and now we can go to deployment. We can link the deployment. As you can see, Netlify is already available, but we are now interested in Vercel. So the connection with Vercel is missing as we have not yet integrated with Vercel. So we will connect. Okay, and we will add this integration. We will give access to all projects and add the integration. Okay, and that was also amazingly simple, if I say so myself. And we can both create a new project or use an existing project as with Netlify. So we'll create a new project, but in order to do that, we will need to install Vercel GitHub app on our GitHub account. So we will manage access and install this application. So you might remember this process from just a moment ago. We did this with GitHub, and with Vercel, this step is required by Vercel. So we will install the Vercel GitHub app. And once that is done, we can pretty much create the deployment in the same way as with Netlify. So we'll link in it right now. Okay, and that is done. As you see, the build status is in progress, so all is good. You know the drill by now. Then once the build completes, you will be able to access the application under the Vercel URL provided in the developer console or in your Vercel if you want to access it from here. So I hope the deployments are all clear by now. I feel that it is a super simple process and definitely worth it, considering how easy it is for you to access the app, to access the deployments, to manage your code from the repository that's connected in the dev console as well. I hope you will pretty much make use of it, and if you have any feedback, as you can see, the build status is ready, so this was super quick. And yeah, if you have any questions for us, please be sure to drop us a message on our Discord server. We will be happy to assist you anytime. So thank you for watching and see you in our next one.